All right, we got into that SPX put. Let's see how quick we either lose or have a gain on this trade here. What time's the market imbalance, Dwayne? We've been holding up at this support level pretty well. Yeah, market imbalance candle. Either we're going to get a big spike, I think, up towards 6,400, or we're going to drop down towards that 6,390. That's what I feel. Pretty excited for next week's earnings. We got a lot of earnings coming up next week. Big breakout coming up on SPX. Now remember, I told you when she was up here, I was down about 2 grand on the trade. Back down here, I was up in the green. Let's see what's going to happen. The volume is starting to come in. Definitely seeing some larger candles coming in. Let's see if we're going to see some profit taking at the end of the day here in the markets, or are we going to continue that climb and see more new all-time highs? And what do you guys think in the trade room? We closing at all-time highs after that market imbalance, or do you think that we're going to pull back a little bit? Shane Bagley says we're heading lower. I don't know, that reversal candle. Look at the wick on that reversal. I got my market order ready to go. Got about 2 minutes till market imbalance. Either going to have a big loss on a big green candle there, or this is going to turn green really quickly. Down about 750 on that trade right now. It's going to move very fast in the next 90 seconds. CNC's getting another climb. Hmm. Come on, give me a little more red. Come on, a little more. Break below that 63.93. Come on, below that 63.93. Let's get down to 63.90. There we go. We are just about back in the green. Market imbalance candle is coming up. 3, 2, 1. Here it comes. Oh, there we go. We're up 500. Oh, we're up 800. All right, I'm going to lock that in. Bam, we're up freaking $600 on that trade. Nicely done, guys. Boom! I love it. I love that price action at the end of the day there. What's that trade going for now? I sold it at 360. Oh, shit. She's at 430 now. Oh, 430 on that. Hey, we locked in a nice gain on that one, team. Very nicely done. Nicely done.